Welcome to this comprehension session. The topic we will go over today is public transport and urban development. Take notes while we are going over the passage. That will help you answer the questions. Let us get started. Public transport systems are crucial to the sustainable development of urban areas. They provide an efficient, cost-effective means of transportation for millions of people, reducing congestion, pollution, and the overall carbon footprint of cities. As urban populations continue to grow, the development and enhancement of public transport systems become vital to city planning and environmental health. Effective public transport systems contribute significantly to urban development by improving accessibility to job opportunities, education, healthcare, and other essential services. This accessibility can lead to increased economic activity and social inclusivity, benefiting both individuals and the broader community. For instance, well-connected transit systems make it easier for people to commute to work or school, thereby expanding employment opportunities and educational accessibility. Moreover, the integration of public transport systems with urban planning can greatly enhance the livability of cities. Strategies such as transit-oriented development (TOD) are used to concentrate growth around transit hubs, reducing the need for extensive road networks and promoting more walkable urban environments. This not only makes cities more navigable but also supports local businesses and reduces reliance on private vehicles. Public transport systems also play a key role in reducing environmental impact. By offering a reliable alternative to individual car use, they decrease vehicular emissions and contribute to cleaner air. Additionally, the shift towards greener public transport options, like electric buses or solar-powered trains, further helps in mitigating urban pollution and promoting sustainability. However, the challenge remains in funding and managing public transport systems effectively. Investment in infrastructure, technology, and service quality is essential to meet the demands of growing urban populations. Ensuring the efficiency, safety, and reliability of public transport is key to its success and acceptance among city dwellers. Now, let us answer the questions. What is one primary benefit of public transport systems in urban areas? Which urban development strategy focuses on growth around transit hubs? Find the synonym of livability as used in the passage. What is an antonym for reducing in the context of environmental impact mentioned in the passage? Based on the passage, what is a challenge in managing public transport systems? Hope you enjoyed the session and got some comprehension practice. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more.